Here we have a 2006 F550 with the 6-liter. Wouldn't start. So I pulls in the back over there. You can see on top of the scrap and stuff, I got the alternator, turbo, all the other stuff that goes along with that. Underneath the plenum, which is over there, next to all that stuff, you have to take the whole top of the engine apart just to get that cover off. And that's right below the turbo. So normally what leaks on these are the standpipes. Let's see if I can undig one. Looks like this. And these little O-rings here, they dry out and they sort of like chafe. And they go through this right here, this high pressure oil manifold. And then what they do is they go to the high pressure oil pump. And what I have here, I have shop air going into the high pressure oil pump. I pulled out the IPR regulator, and that was actually reading data was 85%, which is like wide open, and that's not good. That indicates an internal engine oil leak. So put the shop air to there, and then I took my stethoscope and I heard air leaking on this bank, and then I also stuck it in this little hole on the left bank, and I heard air coming out of there. But now when I turn this valve on, you'll see that little thing right there with the green and white dot on it. You'll see air coming through there. There it goes. There you go. See it? And that's just backing off. So that's why the truck will not start, because it's losing its high pressure oil, and that supplies the fuel inject, actuates the fuel inject. Well, I'm sorry, the fuel injectors are electronically actuated, but they need high pressure oil to actually move them. So that's what I'm working on. Happy Halloween, everybody.